Nope, I am not coming to you from Bending Brook. I'm coming to you from home. We have a blizzard today, and last time we had a blizzard like this was 11 years ago and 2 days, I think. And I tried to make it down to the river, the Merrimack River, but I failed because the wind just pelts you in the eyes. Felt like glass dust, just hammering your eyes. I'm sure they're going to be sore. But I made it out here. I don't know how well you can see. This is the Merrimack River. And the wind is just outstanding. It's crazy. The gusts are up in the 40 to 50 mile an hour range. You can hear sirens and stuff. You can't even see the city on the other side. I'm going to keep walking down the new rail trail, and we'll get a better view of downtown Haverhill, and maybe I'll go across the street, see if the tap is open, or go across the river, see if the tap is open. Well guys, that's gonna do it for me. I'm exhausted. All the way down to the river, took the rail trail all the way to the end, to the Como Bridge, and then came up that giant hill. That road back there is, or was an hour and a half ago when I got home, basically impassable. Or unplowable for that matter. It was at least 14 inches. They're going to need some kind of a front loader. This snow here on my window is actually adding some insulation, so I really can't complain about that. Plus it's pretty. It's just going to continue like this a couple more hours. Guys, my sobs are buried. Look at that. I'll get them out. They're like tanks. What a great storm. Have a great weekend.